Hello everybody. Welcome to another episode of Cary's World. Today we are at the Florida Aquarium in downtown Tampa, which is home to over 14,000 species of animals and plants. This is going to be a real fun one. Join me for this adventure. Our first stop in the Florida Aquarium is the Florida Springs exhibit. We've got long-nosed gar, Florida gar, alligator gar. They're all up there at the top. Enter the wetlands trail. We got some birds just hanging out. There's some turtles. We're just having a good old time in here. We are now officially in the Wetlands Pavilion, which is so cool. We've got an alligator over here. We've got an Atlantic stingray. Hey, buddy. There's some good-sized fish here. Over here we got some baby alligators. Hey there, little guy.
Count them all.
Oh, he's looking at me. We're gonna head upstairs to the journey to Madagascar. This way to lemurs. First thing we see entering the Madagascar pavilion are some geckos stuck to a window. They're just hanging out. All sorts of tropical fish. I'm not a fish expert, so if you see a fish you recognize, comment below. That one's pretty. Look at him. We've got our first lemur over here, and he's got a buddy. They're so cute. Looks like some tortoises over there. They have a cool spot in the floor over here that you can look down into a tank below you. Over here we've got a spider tortoise and a Madagascar spotted spiny tail iguana. Looks like they're both hanging out over there. Over here we get a better look at the lemurs. Hey, oh, he's posing for us. I kind of want to take one home. We make our way back down to the wetlands trail. We've got a big gator hanging out below us. I do not want to be in there with him. Very cool in here. A good close-up here of a spoonbill. Hello, Mr. Spoonbill. I guess that was his 15 seconds and he is done. We are now in the shoreline pavilion. We've got black drum, red grouper, barjack, and there's a stingray somewhere in here. I saw him. Now I can't find him. There he is. Must be feeding time. Over here we've got a couple yellow stingrays. One just swam by and the other one is camouflaging himself. Can you see him?
You gotta come on this side.
Over here we've got a couple spiny lobster.
See all the
Over here we've got a honeycomb eel. In this tank, we've got some long spine puffers, and one of them appears to be putting on a show. Go ahead and puff out for us. At the Florida Aquarium, we've also got a stingray touch tank where you can touch the stingrays.
Hi everybody, welcome to Stingray Beach. For everyone now joining us, welcome. We can touch the wings of the rays with a nice gentle touch as they swim by. We try to avoid the head and the back area and stick to only touching the fins, the wings of the rays, because like most fish, the rays have something called lateral lines running down their middle. It's an organ that helps them sense vibrations and movement in the water, and that just makes them extra sensitive in that head and back area. So we'll touch only along the wings with a nice gentle touch. And if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. My name is Nisha, I'm one of the educators here, and I'll be happy to help you out.
Beautiful creatures. We're walking through a tunnel where we got fish swimming all around us. Over here we've got one of the larger tanks with the sharks. These little fish are called false pilchard. Over here we have some lionfish, which are invasive species in Florida. Not something that you want to pet.
Yeah, we didn't even see them.
Continuing the subject of not something you want to pet, jellyfish. Wouldn't recommend petting them. For any of you Finding Nemo fans, we found him. There he is. Feeding time in this tank. There's a food frenzy. We're now in the morphed exhibit, which is a exhibit that frequently changes. Right now it's morphed. Those are interesting. It's a lot to look at in here. Well, that's going to do it for our trip to the Florida Aquarium. Listen, there is so much in there that I did not show. I wanted to be respectful of all the families that were in there. There was a lot of people in there. So we didn't even show a fraction of what the aquarium offers. But listen, if you're in the Tampa Bay area, I highly recommend coming and checking out the Florida Aquarium. As always, thank you for watching. Comment below where you'd like to see me next, and we will see you next time.